Hi everyone, my name is Brittany Licka, and my presentation is on 1980s pop music, and I chose Michael Jackson's Thriller album to analyze. The background on this album is that it was released on November 30th, 1982, and recorded by Westlake Studios. Before this album, the record industry was in a very bad slump. The album went on to win an unprecedented 8 Grammy Awards, was entered into the Guinness Book of World Records as the all-time top seller worldwide, was instrumental in providing racial harmony among music fans, made the most amount of money ever for a single performing artist, and was given credit by many in the recording industry for boosting sales industry-wide. It is also the sixth studio album by Michael Jackson. The style or genre of the album was pop, post-disco, rock, and funk. Some of the many instruments that I have found were used in this album was the trombone, saxophone, and flute. A little deeper into the Thriller song was the mood, which is spooky/haunted, tone is scary, and the style would be considered horror because when you look at the music video, it reminds you of a scary movie. Zombies are walking around and the music at the beginning is creepy, which makes the viewers feel nervous. I've included the YouTube link of the music video of Thriller, so if you'd like to look at that, you can gain a better understanding of the mood and tone of the song. Thriller also asserted that there are footsteps, wolf, howl, wind, screams, and applause, drums, bass, synth, guitar, and even brass such as trumpets and trombones. The beginning of the song has a crescendo in the synth, which is accompanied by the drums. Then, 40 seconds into the song, it goes into one of the main melodies, which is right before the bass starts in the song. The guitar is incorporated in such a beautiful way that it was a perfectly clear sound that played as a repetitive funk-like staccato rhythm that forms into a harmony. A point to note, the composition is characterized by crescendos and diminuendos for other part to come in and intersect sorry, the rest of the song. For example, the part that Vincent is narrating, the event turns on the dynamics of the song, making the audience to be able to hear them with clarity. Gradually, the song dwindles back into the original formation, and Michael's commanding vocals come back in like there was no change in the song in the first place. The song is in a C minor, and there is a lot of repetition. The bass repeats only one bar, and the lyrics have a similar rhythm as well. Instruments used in this song were horns, bass, keyboard, drum machine, and guitar. The purpose of the album is to be different than the typical albums that were being released during this time. This is my works cited and the end. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great night.